Hey, how are you doing? Ito pala, first day, Tuesday. I just want to make a document. It's all about me and what's going on for my everyday life. Ito pala yung kapitbahay namin. Hey, what up? It's right here. Hey, how are you doing? Yeah. That's my friend. Pumasok sa bahay eh. Ito, pupunta ng school. See my car? Ganun talaga. Ay naku, nakakapagod din minsan. Papasok ako sa loob. Ay naku, ito. Ready na. I'm going to Oxon Hill. Drive ako doon mga 20 minutes kasi like may pupuntahan nga akong paint shop, tapos pipick upin ko yung friend ko. Long lost friend ko siya since na dumating kami dito sa state, kasi doon kami dati nakatira sa kanila eh. Eto, bina-warm up ko yung sasakyan ko. See? Radio. Sensya na kung ganyan yung music ah. Wala eh. Pero ito, hinihintay ko na lang umalis para pag nag-warm up na ako, okay na. Nga pala, namimiss ko kasi si Pao eh. Kaka-chat ko lang sa kanya kanina. Yun, masaya naman. Tuesday dito, doon sa Pinas, like Wednesday, it was fun. And of course, I'm missing her so much. Today's weather, malamig. See? Makulimlim na rin kasi winter na. I mean trees. Kaya ganyan talaga. And yan. Long drive din to eh, nakakapagod. Ito pala yung lugar namin, kung ayan. Yan yung house namin, nasa harapan ako ng bahay namin. That's our neighborhood. Hinihintay ko lang mag-warm up sa sakyan ko. I guess it's ready. So now we're here sa sakyan ko. Magbaback up lang ako sandali. See, I'm backing up. Nagdadrive ako, backing up this car. masyadong tao kasi lahat sa work. Tapos ako, ayun, aalis. Ito, nag-drive na ako. Here, nandito tayo sa neighborhood. Driving na. Ito, stop sign. Stop. Yeah. School bus. One more. Damn, it's making. To Hill Road. Yan. Hill Road. Sensya na kung malabo eh. Malabo talaga. Yung kasi gamit kong video kasi video phone eh. Magalaw kaya driving almost 20 minutes towards Oxon Hill, which is in Maryland pa rin. This is how I do every day. See, like this one. Ganito talaga pag may bus. See, school bus. When the school bus like this, you should stop because the kids are crossing the highway. Now, ito, hirap mag-video pag nagda-drive, delikado. Bawal pero okay pa naman. Pero kailangan dahan-dahan lang. Ito, lapit na. Papasok na rin ako sa like main road, or I would say the main highway, which is called Beltway. Yun kasi ang main road namin, like connecting to Virginia, Maryland, and if you wanna go out of town, yun yung parang main highway na pinupuntahan namin. Kaya yun. Ito, traffic. So, kakat ko muna to kasi maraming mga pulis dito. Baka ma-pull over ako. I'll just hit you up with my second video.